Hey YouTube, Joseph Farmer here, and Sunday morning, I got a lot of stuff I got to get done today. My son Blake's going to be giving me a hand, but this is kind of what I was talking about when I said I have a lot of stuff going on the weekends, so I don't always get to ride my bike on the weekends. As you can see, mine's sitting right there in the garage, right next to my wife's. Today I've got, got a sharpener mower blade. I got a drain that needs to be cleaned out. I've got one in a rental house that needs to be fixed. I have gutters on my own house that need to be cleaned out. I have, oh heaven's sakes, I got a whole list of stuff to do. I don't even remember right now. I've got to go, I got to write it down. But anyway, this is what I was talking about, because my wife is actually an hour and a half away at a soccer tournament with two of our children. We had soccer tournaments yesterday. I was down there all day. She came down later. Yeah, there's the monkey. He's going to be helping me out today. So, just hang in there. Come along for the ride. We're going to take you through what we have to do today. We've sharpened the blades, aired up the tires, which I didn't show you airing up the tires. We also removed these plastic guards on either side, and you can see all the grass we dug out from underneath of them. When you have a mower like this, or any mower that's got these guards out there, it is a good idea to take them off from time to time and dig the grass out, because what will happen, you can see it right back there, the grass gets under there and it pushes up on the belt, and it puts pressure on the pulleys, and it'll make them use more fuel. Plus it generates heat on the belt, which will burn your belt up prematurely. So we've got all that cleaned out. I hit the belt with a little bit of belt dressing. So now nothing to it but to run to the gas station, get some gas for the mower and the weed eater and the four-wheeler, because just in a little test strip I mowed, you can see probably right out in this area there's a lot of clippings here. So, and you can see them over here too. You can see butterscotch over there. Poke butterscotch. Right over there, you can see there's a lot of grass clippings. We're gonna pick them up with the sweeper, and we'll actually, I'll take them up and see if the horses are interested in them. I'm sure they'd like some nice green grass. If not, I'll feed them to the chickens. While Blake was out there on the mower, I was up there on the roof, the gutters all cleaned out. So now I gotta go clean up all these pine shavings and get all of those grass clippings fixed up. So on to the next project. dumping it up by the mouthful. I guess we'll just dump it up here. Look at him. Here he comes. Here comes Tiny. He's running good. Alright guys, as you can see, I've already been inside taking a shower. After Blake and I dropped the trailer off up in the pasture for the horses, we went and grabbed something to eat. It's dark outside. What you guys didn't get to see, I had a drain that's in the stairwell behind our house that I had to dig out. I had to help Blake. I was hoping to have him do most of the sweeping, but ended up having to help him out with that because he spent over 5 hours today on the lawnmower. I was running the sweeper, and then he was helping me get it all loaded on the trailer. We went down. We had to run the sweeper down at my in-laws' house because there was so much thatch grass down there. While he was running the sweeper down there, I went ahead and took care of their weed eating for him. And then I did a little bit of weed eating back here once I got back. So the drain I needed to fix in the rental house. That house isn't rented right now. We're in the process of looking for a renter for it, so that wasn't a major issue. It wasn't a must get done, but of course, one of my other renters has their oven quit, so now I've got to fix that. So I took a couple things off the list, added to the list, guys. Sometimes that's the way life goes. If you're going to get ahead, you got to hustle. Do me a favor. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to rate the video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section or anything you want to say. Drop it down in the comments. I like reading y'all's comments as long as they're nice. And don't forget, guys, get out there, get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.